Meditation after morning chanting or every day. It is very good for us to training about our lives so that we ought to determine to know about your breath in and breath out. Breath in, you determine to know that it's in, and breath out, you determine to know it's out. When it's something change or happen that we feeling in your body, you ought to know, determine to know about it happen, it have action in your body, so that we don't think aimlessly. Let our lights go out your body. You ought to determine to know about your breath in and breath out or your body only. Sadhu, sadhu.